her name Jaclyn Hill right here on this palette matches her logo, like the same lettering. I think it looks really nice, cohesive. I like the white, like slick feeling because you can clean it off easily. I think I have this version of her other palette, the first one. I bought the first one like the day it came out, but then my sister, I gave that one to my sister, and then I bought another one. I just gave my sister the Vault collection because I don't use it. Like, I mean, I used 2 of the 4 palettes. She was over here going through my makeup the other day, and I was like, just take them. Like, I don't even wear them. And then like a week later, she announced that she was coming out with this, and so I was like, see, like perfect timing. There you go. Get rid of, you know, some old makeup and making room for new. Film it yesterday. I used Not My Journey, Therapy Sesh, Good Place, and A Moment. Did I use Lolly Mama? I think so. A little bit. I really like the look. It's on my Instagram if you want to go check it out. I posted a picture. And also I was up last night like I always am, and I came across a video, and a girl that I'm subscribed to had a video with this new Morphe matte setting spray. I didn't even know it was coming out. Like, I follow them on Instagram. I follow, there's like a Instagram account called Trend Mood, and they like are always posting like stuff that's gonna release, you know? And I don't even think I saw it on there. Like, maybe I really haven't been paying attention, but I saw this video last night and I was like, bitch, I have to go try it. She did a 12-hour wear test, and she did half of her face with this, and then I think she used the regular black one at the end of the night. Like, you could really tell. I mean, I could tell a difference. So I'm probably gonna try to do that today for myself and just test it out and see how it works for me. I have pretty combination skin. Lately, my skin feels a little bit more oily, which is good. I mean, I don't mind it. I actually would rather have oily skin over dry skin. And then I walked in there and I was like, hey, where's that new Morphe setting spray? And they're like right in front of your face, but no, not really. They were just like right over there. So I walked over there, and then I saw this, and I was like, did they just repackage the black bottle into this? But no, the black bottle is entirely different. It just says continuous setting spray or mist, whatever. This one says luminous setting spray. So I was like shocked when I saw this right next to it. I haven't heard anything about these besides literally last night. Like, you know how you can go on Ulta and see if it's in stock at your store? Well, I did that, obviously, and it said it was there. So I was like, bitch, I'm going to get that as soon as I drop my daughter off from school, and I'm going to make a video. One side with this matte and then one side with luminous. I'm going to go in with feeling myself. I don't know why, it's just calling me. take this luminous one. I'm gonna spray my little brush. It sprays really nicely. Oh, it smells good. Be ready to set our face. Just put my hair behind my ears really quickly. Let me get something because I'm gonna do my right side, your left with the luminous.
You said you're gonna just do lipstick.
I know, and then I'm gonna do this side with the matte, and then we're gonna be done. So I'm gonna do this side. I'm like trying to see if they look different. Now that it's drying, I can for sure tell it looks more matte than this side.